Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So first thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Galaxy Wearable. Now once you type it in and tap on search, you should see this application on the list. Tap on install button to download and install it. And as you can see here on the watch turned on, and now we can select the language basically. And to do it, scroll through the list, look for the language you would like to use and then tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you will need to select a region. So scroll through the list, look for the region you like and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the region, tap on restart. And it will reboot the watch. As you can see, the app is done installing, so we can tap on open to open it. And now let's wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, so the watch is done rebooting. Now it will show you basically a message to download the Galaxy Wearable application and use it to pair the devices. So we can go to the app, tap on start, allow the required permissions, and then the app will start searching for the nearby devices and it should detect your watch. Tap on it to select it. Tap on pair. Tap on the check mark to confirm. And at this point, the app will start setting up the watch, but as you can see, we need to download something more. We need to tap on OK. It will redirect you to this page, and here you need to install the watch manager. So install it. And once it's done installing, you can go back to the Galaxy Wearable application. Okay, it's done installing. We can go back to the Galaxy Wearable and the setup should continue automatically. So it should be basically, showing you this page. And here you can log in into a Samsung account. This is useful if you want to use Samsung Health, maybe backup or stuff like that. Basically, you have features set like here, or rather listed right here. I'm gonna skip it for now, but you can sign in if you want to. Then we need to agree to the required agreements and then tap on continue. You can of course agree to the optional ones as well if you like to. Here you need to scroll down, tap on allow, and then the setup will continue. So let's wait until it's done. Okay, on this page you can copy a Google account from your phone to your watch. This is useful especially if you want to use Google services on your watch, like Play Store, Gmail, Maps and stuff like that. So if you plan to use the Google services, you can select the account you want to copy to your watch, and once you select it, you need to confirm with the password or the fingerprint or whatever method you will have to input. And once you confirm it, it will try to copy the account to your watch, and once it's done, you will have the Google account on your watch and you can use Google services. Here we can check or uncheck the boxes, scroll down and tap on I agree. And then let's wait until it pops up with this page, and here basically we can download additional apps on our watch. And we can install the apps. I believe this category is the apps on your watch, and if you select them, it will also install the same apps on your phone. And this category is for the watches, so here you can select the apps to install on your watch. I'm gonna tap on skip because I don't want to need any of these apps, but you can check the boxes next to them, and then once you tap on continue, they will install automatically. Okay, here we can install the backup tool for our watch. So if you want to, you can back up the data from your watch. So for example, if you reset it, or you will want to, I don't know, maybe change the watch, you will always be able to back up the data and use it later on. And to do that, you need to tap on next and install the Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, and that app allows you to back up the data. I'm just gonna tap on back because I don't need to install it right now, and it will automatically skip it then. And here you can select the preferred wrist, then button position. And once you're done, tap on next, 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 next. And as you can see, we can add the eSIM basically. So you can set up a mobile plan for your watch. I'm gonna skip this because I don't have the eSIM card, but you can do it if you have one. And then the setup will continue. Okay, and as you can see, we have the Galaxy Watch 8 in the app, and if you go to your watch, it should be starting, and after it's done, it should be ready to use. So let's wait a bit more. It should be quite soon. Come on. Okay, here we have it. So now you can go through the tour of your watch. Basically, it will show you how to use the watch. I'm just gonna skip it. And now we have our watch. It is working and it is connected with a phone. So that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.